Okay, snow wants to come in my eye. So London's been blessed with snow. You know how long we haven't had snow? Oh my gosh. But yeah, come to just have a little chit chat. We're going to the shop. First and foremost, I have to apologize because I know I said I was going to do the truth or drink challenge. I am still doing that. I'm just waiting for I just had a lot going on last week as it was my birthday. Okay, snow wants to come in my eye. Okay, yeah, last week was my birthday. I was also on 3-day fasting, so I couldn't do the drink challenge because no alcohol consumption. But hubby is going to do it with me and mommy as well, and I'm going to also film one with Asha, but that one might be a bit delayed because we live quite far apart. But yeah, I'm going to show you the decoration that Asha did for me. I'm going to insert videos and, you know, little pictures so you guys can see. And what else? Nothing else has been really going on. It's freezing. London's finally getting snow. We don't normally get snow, you know, so I have to be quinting up my eye because snow wants to come and yeah, my eye, you understand? So I'm going shop, ironically, for ice. I know, who eats ice in this weather, right? We do. My household does. So we are going to the shop. I don't know if I can actually record it in the shop, so I might actually turn y'all off for a little while. Yeah, do you know what I mean? It's a little stroll, but how are you guys doing? How's everything going? I hope you're all blessed. I hope your family's blessed. You know, like up the video, share the video, subscribe, do all that nice stuff there, and let's grow the family. Whew, hopefully we can get to 5,000 subscribers before summer. That would be nice. I and I take my sweet little time because there is ice on the floor and I'm not trying to like sprawl up on the floor, you understand? Yeah. Oh, okay, so I'm going to shop for a bag of ice, and this bigger fruit punch tastes so good, and some stuff for mommy. Also, please do head over to my business Instagram, the Pretty Dolls Vibes, and follow it. You guys know that I'll be launching my cosmetic business very soon. I'm very excited about that. We're currently in the trial and error stage where we're testing the lip gloss formulas and everything like that. There will be a lot of entrepreneurial videos on this channel, so look out for that, guys. Look out for those videos. Alright, so I reached the shop, so I'll be back. 1 second. As I was saying, my jewels, Ashalishous came to decorate the table. Obviously, this is not how it was decorated. It is a bit, you know, it's messed up. Well, obviously, because I haven't had a chance to re-tidy up after the little birthday gathering. But look how beautiful this is. Like, come on, sis has got talent. Are you crazy? Yes. Miss Anne Marie gave birth to purpose, because this is purpose. Look there. Look how she personalized my wine buckle them. Personalized wine buckle. I'm gonna get me like a cupcake, something there. Come on, touch roads. Touchwood, Ashalishous Decor. What do you know about that? What do you know about having a friend that is a decorator? Come on now, come on now. Let's give it up to Asha. Beautiful, beautiful. But yeah, I've just returned back from outside. Outside is no joke, as in it is cold. No joke. But yeah, I will video some more footage for you guys later on when we go back outside. So I'll see you soon. Okay, me Jules?
Yes, good girl. It's cute or whatever. Oh, maybe.
Me Jules, this is what I'm shot for. So I got bigger fruit punch, bigger grape. I got this energy drink, berry flavor. I got some popcorn, sweet popcorn, and then that's one salty and sweet popcorn. I got mum loves these almond. And if we move over to the freezer, I got 2 bags of ice. Trust me, that will be done in no time. And the other day I purchased this kettle and it came today. But look how sexy this kettle is. So look, if it was darker, you could have seen the blue a bit more. Look, how nice is that kettle? I got it from Enquiries. It lights up blue. That is so nice. And I also bought this microwave. It's just so nice. Yeah, microwave nice and such. Yeah. So that's what's been really happening. Nothing too out the ordinary has been happening. So I'm gonna just relax now. I'm gonna be yeah, I'm gonna relax now until hubby wakes up. Then we're gonna probably go outside, and he loves the snow. He absolutely adores the snow. So I know he's gonna go outside and have a bit of fun. So I'm gonna follow him, get a few more footage, and it's gonna be a really short vlog. This vlog probably won't even make about 10 minutes, to be honest with you, because not a lot is going on. But I just have to say thank you for engaging with my content. The ones that do comment, the ones that share, the ones that like, the one that has subscribed. Thank you so much. You're literally feeding a family, you know what I mean? So big up your nice clean self. I appreciate and I love you all for doing that. Continue engaging with me, and if you want more daily content from myself, please do follow me on Snapchat and Instagram. Instagram is Julsztymm, and Snapchat you can find the link in my bio, because I don't really know it off by heart like that. But yeah, oh hold on, I think it's Miss Jules BHH for Snapchat, but just clarify, just look in the description box. But we need to grow, man. We need to grow a little bit. 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 Come on now. Come on now. We need to extend the family. Come on now. Have you shared the video? Have you shared the video? Miss Suna, Miss Suna, watching her now. Share the thing, you know. Miss Suna. I've seen y'all. Please share, like, comment, subscribe. Do everything that you would do for the bigger youth, because you know say we can't talk up the things them. Yeah, because the bigger YouTuber them don't have to beg like this, but I am begging. Oh no, please like up and share the video. Yeah. Okay, I've been on YouTube from 2016, and yes, I've been very inconsistent, but me not left you know again. I'm not leaving you guys again. I'm here to stay. I promise. Julsz is not going nowhere. I promise. I'm not going nowhere, go there. I'm here. I'm here to stay. So share with something them. Yeah, be nice. Okay. Me Julsz is becoming so official and so real. Look what came in the post. This is my lip gloss label, the Pretty Dolls Vibe. I'm so proud of myself. Are you proud of me? Are you proud? This is how it will look on the lip gloss. So you can see that it's a transparent label. Wait, what? Focus on this. Focus here, not my fingers. That's how it will look on the lip gloss label. How beautiful is that? Absolutely stunning. Stunning. So that's why I say please do follow my business page, because it is becoming so real. Like, I'm so excited to create these lip glosses, to introduce them to you guys, to show you what's really good, what's really happening. Listen, we will have a fantastic business, me Julsz. I just need your support to get it out there. I need your support, guys. At this point, I'm literally begging you guys. Me, I'm begging to do. Go follow, please. But yeah, this is my business, the Pretty Dolls Vibe. Okay, we'll be launching soon. Glory to God. All the praise belong to Him. I just want to thank Him. Honestly, God has been so faithful. But yeah, I love it. Wanna love it? Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you really like it? Would you guys want me to do a video on how I created my labels? If you do, leave a comment down below and I'll get that video to you guys as soon as possible. Okay. You trying to catch me? You miss. You misery boy. Get out fire shot. Huh? Huh? You miss.
Sight has light.
Catch ya. You miss. You hey. We catch you. That's it, baby. And the red pepper.
What is it this way? Is it on the one hand?
Yeah, I turn on the hot water a little bit.
You want it to be tight and steamy hot. I think steamy hot.
What is that?
This is a bathtub, isn't it?
What does it smell like?
It smells like honey or caramel.
That's interesting. Just pour that green curtain for me, baby.
Green? I want to put it in when there's like loads of water so it just fizzes around. Oh! It does. That wasn't me, baby.
Okay.
It wasn't me. I'll just leave this right here.
Yeah.
Ooh la la.
Ooh. That bath bomb is from my company, so if you do want to purchase a bath bomb, just message me. Yep. Yeah guys, so after that little snowball fight, I'm going to now take a nice warm bath. Haven't bathed in a while, you know. I've showered but haven't bathed. So we're gonna bath now, and yeah, I'll be back later on, so I'll see you soon, my Julsz.
What about this?
What's a guambo?
Try to pull up the nuts, you know? That's a really good idea. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah? Ready for that?